All right, guys, we are down in the Nanao Dao kind of downtown area, and it is a massacre of fireworks. Look at all the fireworks that have been popped off. You got all these right here. Look at this. Bazookas. These are $75 a pop, or 75 kwai a pop, which is like maybe $7 or $8. All along the boardwalk. Popping fireworks for Chinese New Year. It's one thing I love about China. In certain parts of China, you can pop fireworks. And they have little vending or places where you can buy fireworks all over. We kind of already popped. This guy's got some big ones, so I'm going to back up. He's got some big ones. Let's back up. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but this is a boardwalk, and you got the beach right in front of us, and you got all this firework trash everywhere. But I can guarantee you by 7 a.m. in the morning, it's going to be all cleaned up. There he goes. He's about to do it. 不想，谢谢，谢谢。Here we go. Now that's some fireworks, baby. Into the chopper! Nice. I could feel part of the pieces of the fireworks hit my face. That was a little close. I didn't realize it was going to be that big. But you got Dad that probably dropped probably about $50 worth of fireworks right there. We're having a good time. You got to come to China on Chinese New Year. It's spectacular. A lot of fun. See you in the next video.